What's up guys, and welcome back to Tech Plan. Today I got a new light to review and it's from Moya STD. Now this one's going to be pretty sweet for an office or something, so let's check it out.
Let's get this box open and see what's inside. Right off the bat, there's obviously the manual. It looks like we have 3 boxes for the bulbs, 2 which are a regular sunlight color and 1 which is like the purple kind. We have a power adapter, which is kind of nice because it uses a USB interface. And then lastly, we do have the light. Let's take a closer look at this actual light. So what this thing is like a clamp, like a table clamp, and then it's got gooseneck. I don't know what you would call this, maybe just a gooseneck lamp, I don't know. But there's sockets on the end, and then on the power cord, there's actually like your timers, your on off, and your brightness changing buttons. And this all interfaces with like a nice little USB power plug. Now let's take a look at the light bulbs, or the LED light bulbs that they provide in these boxes. They do include an extra one, which is pretty neat, and that one is the like purple pink variant, so you can maybe do some experiments with it or kind of see what differences you see. I like that they give you that extra bulb just in case one burns out too. Now that we have it out of the box, let's set it up and give it a shot and see how bright and how you use it. I've just got a basic test here. Like, I'm going to turn it on. You can see it's pretty bright. It's hard for this little light to compete with my video lights because they're actually, like, they have like 250 LEDs and they're really powerful, so it doesn't look too bright with all my video lights on. But once I turn them off, you'll see. But anyways, what I do like about this is the gooseneck, so you can really position it. And I like that the bulbs can also spin. So once you screw them in, you can actually turn the bulbs different directions. Here it is with the video lights off. You can see it's pretty bright. Again, I still have my video camera set for bright light, so it might not look bright to the camera, but it's pretty bright. What I really like about this desk light is you can really kind of give your plant light from all angles. So you can put it more to the sides. I think it looks kind of cool to mix the lights because you get kind of like a mood lighting or something. I don't know. I like it and I think it's interesting. But I'll probably be using just both white lights for my desk just because it'll look nicer, I think. But I don't know. You can experiment. How I think this light is useful is exactly what I've been saying, and that's like in an office or at your desk. It's not so bright that it's like blinding you, but it's good enough for 1 or 2, even 3 small plants to keep them growing nice and strong. So I think it looks nice set up like that, and it's definitely worth it.
Alright guys, that pretty much sums up this video. I hope this helped you learn a little bit more about this light. I think it'd be perfect in an office or on like a desk situation if you wanted to grow a small flower or something. It's pretty cool. And I do like that they include the 3rd bulb, so you can kind of switch out the colors if you really want to. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, may your plants grow strong and healthy. I'll see you next time.